Hi, good morning guys. Charot. Dito ako to. Face check. Mga hairline check. Tapos nangaloy siya sa sinin niya ay face reveal check. And then ram check. Isa?
Sumbayan. Pero sa mahuman ay nag-program natin.
Pag-start ang program alas 4 sa hapon. Kumuha na mga alas 12 ako lang 2 hours after siguro. Kadiyot naman na siyang program.
Stay for long over there. I have an examination that I need to observe.
And Blair Waldorf.
Pwede na akong mukha ng te, lakaw.
Muli na ka sa'yo? Ano muli sa'yo? Eh?
Eh, kaliw sa'yo. Kanang mga kondo, mga hapon-hapon. Ito mo kung malakaw. But this place is amazing.
Bigyan mo. Bulok ako kag sa'yo pero dapat magtuon ka ha. Kaya nara ba daw ka exam ugma? Pag di ka magtuon, magsige na kag chat-chat. Aw, walay lakaw.
Shot? Ako, masat-shot?
Aw, wala na kay ka-chat.
Aw, ka-chat. No, shot. Like,
Chat! Ano naman, do you drink di ay?
Don't.
Hi, chat daw, oh. Kung naka-live na, oh, you say hi to your mommy. Pag hi mo sa inyong inahan, oy. Ikaw pag hi sa imong amahan o ginahan, oh. Shout out to you.
May buntag dara na pita. Nami diri kanunay sa J-Park. So kita. Blind.
Inom ka?
Yes, please.
Wash may lemon nga po ay. Face. And ginger.
Ito yung gimmick sila.
Lemon and ginger.
Pero na.
Kasi di ko na ako nagtanong.
Ganyan ako sige picture mo sa storage mo, sa storage mo.
Your account is eligible. Official event access available. Tap to proceed. Proceed
Shout out,
forward.
Icon. I want to do a shout out to Synchrony. Thank you so much for this wonderful engagement that you are giving to all of the employees. Thank you to the wonderful and smart people who are behind this event. I also wanted to thank my bosses, Boss Lai, Boss Kersey, Boss Marlo that I met earlier today. Shout out. I hope we're going to be having a great time. Hala, na sila cart ay, our shuttle. Also, I have something to show everybody. Our swag. We got a tote bag coming from our company. Thank you so much, our company. So we're just gonna have to, we're gonna check on what's inside my bag. Ay hala, look at this. I got 4. So you get one. So come here behind me. You get one in here. While you're getting one, you have to say thank you, Synchrony. So this is Nina, my niece. Or you say?
Thank you, Synchrony.
Next is?
Disha! Hi, hello.
Thank you.
Thank you, Synchrony,
That's
for accepting
Rembrandt.
and devoting and giving, and I thank you.
Grabe na kinang devoting. Oh, next.
Ako di ay. Saan na? Saan ni? Ay, pang bola, pang underwater ko ano yun. Saan
Dili
ni?
pang under.
You say thank you to our company.
Thank you, company.
Dili, Synchrony yun.
Synchrony din. Thank you.
That's
company,
LA, my
Synchrony, my
nephew.
company.
You wanna work at Synchrony? And this is for me. Thank you so much, Synchrony. What else do I have here? I get 2 t-shirts. Ayun sa mani.
Bijoy ko, Bri, wanna take your kasi.
Wala kay cellphone nila.
Bijoy ko, bawal na. Kuan ta si Biford ay ako ang
I get 2 of these. Wala ka sexy ani, oy. So sexy. This is the front page, and then the back page. Look, it's so sexy.
Tota naman.
Pero makita ko.
Kita
Makita ko.
mo ang pagka...
Ako mga cocomelon, ani. The cocomelon will show up. So that's
kita mo
one.
Pagka...
Akong pagkabayot. You like? You like?
Ako magpumatan mo. Imuha mo ng suoton.
Ikaw, gana ka masuot? No, I don't wanna wear this. Kaya parang show kayo siya. It has a very long, asa ba ni siya? Shoulder line? Asa ba? Arm.
Hindi ako bababa.
Armhole.
Basta imuha po ni cellphone.
Armhole. Somebody's... Yeah. Yeah, I'll wear this another time, not now. Kaya medyo ko ang siya. Ikaw lang, pag-suray-suray lang.
Kina na eh.
Hindi na ka mag-suray-suray.
Wala. Ano yan?
Thank you, Synchrony. Ay. Oh, makita siyang J-Park. Eh, di makita ang J-Park. Sana ko na siya. And then, and this. Clean as you go, Claygo. It's one of those reminders coming from our office that you need to make sure that everything is clean. Isa pa, what else can I do? Shout out to our followers. Si Kuya Ralph. Will you say hi to your father? Oh,
Pang, jet ski nila diri kay 2,100. Batian nila, mahala nila eh. Ay, that's the parking lot.
pero dito sa kuan kay di ba mahal mo sa turista?
12,000. 1 hour.
Amo na lagi to siya kay naka 40 na. Pero ningam to siya nga kanang 5,000 sa dilang hour or 6,000 to yung resulti.
Yeah, 6,000 ang kato per hour diri, pero 5,000 dito speakers.
Diba?
Which sucks.
It really sucks.
Really, really sucks.
It sucks a lot.
Ang gustong-gusto ko talaga ng kinabuhay ko kaya mag-jet ski. Muna na, ang birthday gift na ko, din ako mga iuglain.
Char!
Bahala mo doon na na. Kana na akong gift.
You're so full of char.
You're full of char. I am honesty is the best policy. Nas Papa dara, sinuod gid ang Nas Papa na
He's
Nas Papa.
watching. He's watching.
Kita igig ko, hi pa. Buntag dara dapita, may gabi or may hapon.
Hi siya.
Oh, tihay ba siya? May kita. Is watching Raman.
I don't think he's watching.
Ralphie Maroto is watching.
Is he really watching?
Hindi ko sure. Kailan ko, nagawas lang siya.
Is he watching to the utmost part of the area? Oh, he's watching lagi. Oh, nag-thumbs up siya. Oh. wear the other one. I should wear one. Uy, kaginsa na siyang sagbot. Di mo ang sagbot.
No, ang sagot na dala.
Di ka na siyang kuan, kanang cardboard, anak, kinsa na.
Amen. Yeah.
Ipusa na. Kay, makasabaan ka. Eh, sa may front, ano. We're gonna be wearing our swag. I'm wearing our swag. Totoo. Hi, Synchrony. Thank you, Synchrony. Camel toe ano. Let's hide our camel toe. Naburan ako yaya. Ma'am, what's your order? Ano ko yaya? Ano? Nagasuri-suri silang LA lang. Sorry, dito lang ka. Pwede na ka. Ari lang ba dali? Gawa na sila lang.
No, kira na eh. Let them have fun. Ako,
Let them have fun.
Pahoy.
Mag-CR ka lang. Pag ito CR ka, ari ko dre wait.
Yeah? Adi, okay naman ko. Okay naman. I'm alive and well.
I'm alive and well, enthusiastic. Okay lang ako naong lang.
Basa.
Di, I mean, sa makeup ba? Di
Yeah,
siya ka.
naman, pero kon lang basa lang ito.
Go. Yeah, I'm very wet. I'm so wet. Now I need to call Scott for the AOL.